A nasty winter storm hit key corn and soybean areas of North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota in early October. Some areas saw heavy snow totals, almost all areas saw freezing temperatures and at least some precipitation. The impact on yet-to-be-harvested corn and soybean crops remains unknown. Given that maturity of both crops had been near record low levels, many traders and analysts have assumed that production will be cut. The exact quantity that was lost remains to be seen. USDA will resurvey acreage in North Dakota and Minnesota following the storm. It may be several months until we know the full scope of the situation.